In this brief video tutorial, we're going to be talking about product creation as a way to get traffic to your website, and we are inside of the product creation facility in JVZoo because the sections will illustrate to you why this will mean traffic to your website to create a product. This is obviously not going to be for everyone. Not everyone's going to create a product in order to get traffic, but it is a viable way for you to get traffic back to your site and to get people who will eventually be buyers of your products and services. One of the things that you want to take note of whenever you create a product is, in particular, notice that there is an autoresponder integration. That means that every time someone buys, this person can be added to your email marketing list. That then becomes a permanent buyer. You can then send that buyer to other offers. You can market to that buyer after the fact. Other thing that creating a product does is you can see here that you've got an affiliate approval. Now, I don't want you to focus on the fact that this is an approval area, but the fact is that when you have a product that you've created, you have affiliates promoting for you. Those affiliates bring buyers from their list to your offer, and those that buy become a permanent part of your list. Now, obviously, you're not going to be able to just develop those relationships out of thin air. You are going to have to work to develop those relationships before you actually launch a product. And you might ask, well, how do I do that? How do I get to know people in order to entice them to want to promote my product so that I'll have those buyers coming to my launch? One way you're going to be able to do that is you're going to be able to join Facebook groups where you have other marketers. And when you get to know these other marketers, you're going to find out about their launches. You're going to find out about what they're doing. And you're also going to be able to interact with them and to get to know them so that when you approach them about the fact that you're going to be having your launch or even your first launch, it's not going to be a surprise, nor is it going to be a situation where you're talking to them for the first time. You want to try to socialize with people, and one of the best places to do that and to get to know people, get to know some of these marketers who could promote for you ahead of time, is to join Facebook groups and to interact with them, as well as to get to know them on a personal level so that, again, they'll know you and you'll know them. You will also get the opportunity to join Skype groups that other marketers are starting. This is another great way for you to be able to socialize in real time and to get to know people so that, again, when you get ready to launch a product, it's not the first time that they're hearing from you. It's not that they don't know you and they don't have a comfort level with you. So some of this is not as mechanical as you just getting in, creating a product, or just driving traffic. This is a way that you can do this over time by developing relationships. Those relationships will be the ones that you will work with when you're ready to launch a product that will get traffic to your offer. Some people will buy, they will become part of your list, and those people will then be buyers that you can send other offers to. Remember, email marketing is one way that you can send traffic direct to a buying offer. It's a very important way for you to be able to develop your business. And of course, the old standby is that you can get to know people on marketing forums, and you can get to know them as they're doing their launch. They can get to know you. Now, obviously, there are a lot of people on the Warrior Forum, and they're all trying to do the same thing. They're all trying to build those relationships. They're all trying to get to know people that can help them. And for the most part, the balance of people are going to be those who are trying to find people who can help them. So this is going to be more competitive in that way than other methods. However, it is still effective. It is still a way for people to get to know you and for you to get to know some of those people that can help you when you get ready to do a product launch. So this is a great way for you to develop a buyer's list, and that is to develop buyers. And you do that by creating a product before you ever get ready to send affiliate offers or anything like that. You have a list of people that you know buy products and services in the niche that you are promoting in. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.